I'm sure it's no longer news that Jandor has returned back to his original family, original political family. I think I've announced that about a month ago. And we've also had our declaration at the local government level, which is the real thing to do. If you're returning to the party or you want to join a new party, you go back to your local government to do that. We had that on Friday. And having done that, the next thing is to pay the #1 citizen of the state an official visit to inform him officially of our return to the party. So my visit here today is to meet with Mr. Governor, with a few members of my team, and report to him how far we have come, in the process of us returning back to APC family. So this is why we are here.
So what should APC be expecting with your return?
Yeah, I think I've said that over and over again. So I think what is happening now, you see us joining our numerical strength to the existing one of the political party, which we now strengthen the winning chances of the party. We all knew what happened during the last election, but it was because the House was actually divided. But now we're together, we're back, and we want to see first how we can use our numerical strength to rally around the younger generation and see how we can return Mr. President back to office in 2027 so that they can pass on the baton to our generation next. I've said this over and over again, that if we do that mistake and allow another of his generation to come into that space, we're going to wait for another 8 years, if not 16 years. So for us, we have determined that we're going to do everything within our power to campaign vigorously for him and speak to his effort in giving Nigeria a stable country for the first time, and see how we can return back to office.
How's the reception been?
Fantastic. Mr. Governor was very warm. I've said this again, that he's actually a gentleman. There's nothing I didn't do to provoke him. I poked him, but he stayed calm, and maybe one of the reasons why he retained his seat, as governor of Lagos State. So I appreciate him, and I want to thank him for this reception, and all members of his cabinet too, and the party executive, especially his chairman, who actually led this delegation to here. So I say thank you to Mr. Governor.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And also thank you to us, your former constituency.
Your Lagoko.
Thank you. Thank you too. Thank you.
Wow.